Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to sign out of YouTube step by step on desktop. If you find this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. Now let's get started. Sometimes you might want to log out of YouTube. Maybe you're using a shared computer. Maybe you don't want your watch history saved. Or maybe you just want to switch to another account. Whatever the reason is, signing out of YouTube on desktop is very quick and easy. First, open YouTube in your browser. Once YouTube loads, go to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile picture there. Click on your profile picture. A drop-down menu will appear. In that menu, simply click on Sign Out. As soon as you click it, you'll be logged out of your YouTube account. If you ever want to sign back in, just click on Sign in the top right corner, enter your email and password, and you're back in. And that's it. That's how you sign out of YouTube on desktop. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.